Hey Adam, Scott with Impact Link SEO. We just spoke on the phone, and I wanted to make this quick video, kind of showing you a few things. But based off of it, I might just focus more on just Google Ads, because it looks like your SEO for your website and your Google Business Profile look pretty good. There are a few things that I always usually recommend, and I'll go through those quick. But yeah, I usually talk about your website, your Google Business Profile, and Google Ads. So for starters, your website here. I always recommend more content. And the reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. Buyer intent to me would be like a service and a location. So, windshield replacement Boulder. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, instead of it just saying windshield replacement, you can put Boulder behind it, and that counts as content because it's embedded behind the photo for you. And then looking at your, this is a third-party tool, just kind of showing your analytics and where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up and balanced whenever possible. And it looks like you have 6 and 7 due to your referring pages and domains, and pretty much those are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so make sure to stay relevant to your industry location. And it looks like you're being indexed for 45 keywords. Boulder Auto Glass, you're number 1, which is good. That's your brand. You should be. And you're getting most of your traffic, so those are the people that know you. Whereas windshield replacement, you're almost to the front. You're doing pretty good. But that's like the one that I would recommend trying to get a little bit more like onto the front, just because when you're number 1, you get more people when they are searching for you. But those are the types of buyer intent keywords, that I'm talking about. Boulder windshield replacement. And I don't know if you're strictly in Boulder, if you go around your whole county, what that is. But those are the types of buyer intent keywords I look to rank for when it comes to SEO. And then also, I was just doing I did Boulder County for windshield replacement. As you can see here, there was only 100 searches with Boulder in it, but over here there's 390 searches for windshield replacement. And then windshield repair, windshield replacement. So, we've got 1,000 searches just each and every month that you could be put in front of by running Google Ads as well. So I did just do a quick search here for windshield replacement Boulder, Colorado. You have your Google Ads. This is what I was talking about before. A few things that you want to do up here. You want to try and have all of the keywords in there, like windshield replacement. So it's windshield replacement, mobile windshield replacement. So that one has it, but it doesn't have a location. So sometimes people don't always know, but it's always better to have a location and a service in here. That'll give you the best click-through rate. And if you group your ad groups by theme, so like windshield replacement, auto glass replacement are different, and windshield repair and windshield replacement are different. That's how you get a higher click-through rate up here. And then when you have a landing page experience, what you want is a click-to-call number, a form submit, what you do, where you do it, and if you run any promotions. And then like the background should be an image and telling you, the image should be reflective of what you're doing. So if it's a windshield replacement, have a car with a windshield off type of thing. And that's how you have a really good landing page experience and a good conversion rate, so people actually call or form submit. It looks like you're doing great right here. You're in the top here, so that's awesome. There are a few things so that you could kind of expand in different areas, but pretty much the biggest one is getting more reviews and then adding once a week or once a month updates. If you have any promotions, things like that, really shows you there. And once again, you're doing pretty good here. Getting in front of Safelite is not always the best idea because they just have a very large budget. But when you're second on here and people don't want to work against Safelite, that works too. So, but just kind of looking here, windshield replacement, Boulder, 100 searches, Boulder Auto Glass, 90. So like here, there's 490 searches total. But like right here, there's 390 searches just of windshield replacement in your area. So that's why you can get in front of a little bit more people when you actually are running Google Ads. So, but yeah, pretty much what happens when you start to outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes are going to go to your website instead of theirs. A percentage of those people will start to give you a call or form submit, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Adam, I really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great day. If you like what you've seen, let's set up a time for a discovery call, see if we're a good match, and then we'll go from there. So have a great day.